my videos there.
Yeah. So hi, Evan.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
We're here at the bicycle stand, and I'm getting the bike tuned up, and actually not tuned up, but we're getting fitted. So I'm replacing one of the seats because it was a little twisted. And Evan was so nice to spend some time with me yesterday to get fit, and we're gonna make sure and make this ride as comfortable as possible. So again, thanks for your donations. The bicycle stand, I'll let Evan do his spill.
Yeah, man. If anybody wants to get fitted before a long ride, we'd be happy to accommodate. 2740 Broadway, and come on down. You can call us at 562-279-4936, and call ahead of time if you want to schedule a fit.
Awesome. So this guy's great. He's taking care of me on all the bikes I brought in. So lots of selection here. Great little shop. I went from a small little garage to this really big, cool store. So he's helped a lot of the ALC riders as well. So shout out to Kevin. We're going to get this bike fixed and ready to go for Tuesday. So we'll give you an update on Saturday when we push off for San Francisco. And then Sunday morning, you'll see us all head out down the coast. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for donating. We'll keep you posted. Bye.